Hey Journeyers! Welcome to the event app Pacer. This screen is your personal dashboard, providing you a snapshot of your daily activities. You'll know you're on the dashboard when the shoe inside the circle at the bottom of the page is highlighted blue. Looking at a couple of the key features on your dashboard, in the top right corner, you'll see your selected profile picture. If you tap it, that will take you to your profile information. One of the important things to note here is that your step data source is set to the default setting of phone. If you tap it, you will be able to connect a variety of different activity tracking devices and change your primary steps data source once a device is connected. Let's go back to our dashboard. Right in the center is your daily step count. Your default goal for each day is to get to 10,000 steps. And you can create step streaks by reaching your step goal multiple days in a row. You can see your step streaks by tapping the flame icon in the top right corner. Below this are the challenges that you are taking part in. You are automatically added to the Journey 5K warm-up and the Journey 5K event challenges. I have 2 demos set up that we'll walk through today. Below this are some other little treasures that are included with the premium Pacer subscription, including guided workouts and walking programs. If you tap into them, you will be able to take part in guided workouts and specific programs to reach the goals that are most important to you. Popping back to the dashboard, let's look at the GPS tab. This is a manual activity tracker. Let's say you would like to take a walk over lunch or a bike ride after work. You would select the activity that you're completing from the list at the top. Then, when you're ready to start, you'll hit the blue Start button. This will log your activity and add it to any applicable challenges. Click that Start button. It's going to give you a countdown.
Activity started.
And then you'll start your activity. Along the way, you'll see that your calories and your steps are being tracked along with your distance. It's going to give you some audio cues as you travel, just to let you know how far you've gone or how much time has elapsed. Once you've completed your activity, you're going to hit the pause button.
Activity paused.
Then the finish. It's going to show you a little bit about your route, how much you accomplished in the time, and just confirm the activity type and description. I'll save that activity.
Completed.
That'll take us back to our dashboard. To see our Journey event page, tap the gray maple leaf in the bottom left corner. This will provide you an overview of the event. Scrolling down, you'll see our event feed. We invite you to use the feed to post photos and notes about your own Journey experience. To post to the feed, tap the green circle with the camera in the bottom right corner. You can create your post and add your photos and then tap Post. Going back to the event page, you can also see a list of challenges. The Journey 5K warm-up is new for 2024. As a group, we are working together to reach 5,000 kilometers and unlock donations to the Do More Agriculture Foundation. When you tap into the warm-up challenge, at the top you'll see a summary of how close we are as a collective group to the 5,000 kilometer goal. Underneath that, you'll see your team's contributions and your individual contributions. If you keep scrolling, you'll see the specific details of the challenge, followed by posts specific to the challenge. To create your own post, tap the little green camera and create your post. Further down the page, you'll see the challenge leaderboard. The left tab is the individual leaderboard. Your current standings are always at the top in gray, with the full leaderboard underneath in white. The right tab is the team leaderboard, and again, your team appears first in gray with the full leaderboard below. All of your daily activities are tracked and contribute automatically towards the warm-up total. But let's say you went for a walk but forgot your phone and weren't wearing your Fitbit. You can manually add activities to this challenge by tapping the green circle with the shoe and plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to choose what activity you completed, let's say walking leisurely. Adjust the date and time as needed. Then select the duration of your activity. And looking underneath, you can see that the app automatically calculates the approximate steps and distance for that activity based on the hours that you entered. Hit Add, and then it will autofill those fields. Hit save, and this activity will be added to the challenge. Now let's look at the Journey 5K challenge. The Journey challenge will become active during the event dates, April 22nd to 28th. At the top of the page, you will see the details of the Journey 5K challenge, followed by the challenge feed. To post to the challenge feed, tap the little green camera and create your post. Farther down the page, you'll see the challenge leaderboard. The left tab is the individual leaderboard. Your current standings are always at the top in gray, with the full leaderboard underneath in white. The right tab is the team leaderboard, and again, your team appears first in gray, with the full leaderboard below. When you're ready to complete your run or walk with your friends or family, tap the green bar at the bottom that says Start GPS Activity. This will launch the race tracker.
Activity started.
It will show the distance you've completed, the time it's taken, the steps, and the calories burnt. Make sure you go a full 5 kilometers or the tracker won't register your time on the leaderboard. When you're out on your walk or run, if you need to stop and pet a cute dog or get an ice cream, hit the pause button. You can resume when you're ready. When you're finished your walk or run, hit the pause button and then the finish button. This will log your activity and automatically add it to the challenge leaderboard. There are a lot more hidden gems to be found in the event app, and we invite you to check them out. Stay social with your fellow journeyers, and most of all, get some steps in for your own mental health.